how to fix dry hair in 10 seconds. This is 100% dry hair. It's very, very rough. This is human hair. And let's just say you're on the go, you don't have much time. Yes, it's going to come down to product. This is my product, Sleek. It's a smoothing and hair repair serum. What you want to do, and again, this is if you're in a pinch, you've never used a smoothing serum before, you want your hair to be super, super dry. So blow dry it fully. Take maybe 1 or 2 pumps depending on how thick your hair is. You're going to work it through, get it all the way through your hands relatively quickly. Now here's the big key to this is a lot of people, they take this smoothing serum and they'll go right on the scalp. Actually, what you want to do is you want to target those problem areas first. Don't ever put a smoothing serum directly on the scalp first. What you want to do is work this through the ends. And I can feel how dry this hair is. And now I'm working my way up. And I'll just lightly pat the top of the head and look at how this transforms literally in seconds. So yes, this is about, getting rid of dry hair fast in 10 seconds. Okay, so this is really the only solution. And as a professional hairstylist for over 30 years, when seeing clients, the first thing I would do is if I had someone who had really, really dry hair, is I would finish their hair off with a smoothing serum. So as you can see through here, this is dry and I'm working this through. Once again, you want to start from the ends. Start down here and then work your way up. And when you're towards the top, you can lightly pat down like this, because you don't want the root area or the scalp area to have too much oils or too much of that product. So it's lightly worked on like this. And once again, this is my smoothing and repair hair serum called Sleek. This is an updated version from the one from many, many, many years ago. This smells incredible. Probably the most luxurious scent I've ever smelled. And it makes the hair feel so incredibly smooth and silky, and it defrizzes. So that's the quickest solution. Again, in under 10 seconds, your hair is dry, you use a product, and you run it through. I know it makes, probably you're thinking to yourself, oh, that's kind of common sense. However, a lot of times people take the product, they go right on the scalp like this, work it through, and oh, this product makes my hair oily or greasy. No, it's because you're not like taking on the area that needs it, which is down and through here. So now the hair is in a much better state because now it's not dry anymore. So the next thing, which is, let's just say you've got a hairstyle that is a bit shorter. Let's just take something like this, right? So you've got shorter hair, and can you use a smoothing serum on shorter hair? Well, yes, you can. However, what I would do probably is while this hair is damp, or if it is fully dry, what you want to do is you want to just kind of lightly work it through the ends and piece it through like this. Because what's going to happen is, or lightly go like this to get it through more of the hair evenly. You don't want to treat this as a kind of like a styling product if it was like a hair clay or a hair gel or a paste or something like that. What you want to do is, once again, work throughout the outer perimeter of the hair. And by doing this in a more aggressive manner, you can see already that the hair is now getting a bit more shiny, a bit more healthy, and then you're good to go. So what I would do for something like this is you can apply it to when the hair is damp and then blow dry your hair, and it's going to help smooth it out. But I always say, if you want that finish in your hair to where it looks like you've got some shine, because dry hair is lacking what? Shine. So it's not looking healthy. It looks very dry. This is designed to be a hair repair serum. So when the hair is fully dry, this is the opportunity that you can take the smoothing serum and work it through the ends, right? You can work it through like this to make sure that you are getting a little bit of volume as well, because you don't want to lose the volume, but you're also making sure it's evenly distributed. That's the one thing about a smoothing serum is, a lot of times they tend to deflate the hair and make it so smooth that the hair becomes flat. That's why I suggest doing it in a way where it enhances the style and you're just lightly working it through towards the ends where the hair is a bit drier. And bam, within seconds now you have hair that looks healthier. For a longer term solution, this is where I would suggest my 25 spray, this has actually recently been updated to, we added a conditioning ingredient to it, to now the hair actually feels even softer and better with 25 spray. So you can spray this in, and it's always the first foundational spray that you spray in. You wash your hair, you lightly towel blot it, and you spray it in at that stage, and then you comb it through. This is like your multivitamin for your hair, 25 benefits. The reason it's called 25 spray is because there's 25 benefits in this spray. So you spray it in, then you can comb it through, and then you can dry it, use sleek as a finisher. You can use sleek when the hair is damp, but this is a longer term foundation for every time you wash your hair, because your hair is going to need some sort of moisture. It's going to need some protection. It's going to need good ingredients and something that has benefits to your hair and scalp. And that's what 25 spray does. And then you're going to start to see that your hair will look healthier and less dry over time. And sometimes almost instantly, I've seen people after one use of 25 spray, their hair looks like a whole new head of hair. And I've seen that like historically. So that's the solution to getting dry hair, getting rid of it quickly, is using the right product. And then long term, make sure you are using the right products for your hair. Any of my shampoos really help. Any of the products I have really help. And if you want to purchase any of those, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.